the job search is broken. We spend hours cold applying and rarely hear back. So instead of optimizing the process, you remove yourself from it entirely. So my team and I built tapn, an autonomous agentic system that runs your entire job search so you can focus on real things, like interviews. After onboarding, tapn will generate a personalized user.md file for the agentic pipeline. To start, we first need to start the OpenClaw gateway and have it connect to the dashboard. Now that it's connected, we need to start our agents browsers. Let's go ahead and start Echo's agent browser. Then let's start Scout's browser. And now we begin the demo agentic pipeline. First, the main agent tapn calls on Scout. Scout analyzes hiring trends to find companies that are actively growing, then browses their career pages to discover roles that match the user.md. Then, Scout summarizes his findings in a JSON report and sends it to Taylor, who takes the job description and rewrites the user's resume so it's optimized for that specific role. Now, Echo opens the application page from Scout's report, fills out the entire form, uploads the tailored resume, and submits the application automatically using info from the user.md. To test out Hermes, we send a forged NVIDIA email. Hermes monitors the user's inbox for interview invitations and schedules them directly on the user's calendar. Then lastly, there's me, Aria. I prepare the user for interviews by generating company-specific questions and running a live mock interview on the tapn dashboard. Hi, thanks for joining. I'm Aria Park, Engineering Manager from NVIDIA. I'll be conducting your interview for the Senior Data Scientist, Enterprise AI Systems position today. We'll go through a few questions. Just relax and answer naturally. Ready to get started?
I'm ready to get started, Aria.
Great. First technical question. Describe an enterprise AI system you designed or led end-to-end. What was the business problem? What was the model or approach? What data and infrastructure did you use? And how did you evaluate success?
Yeah, so I recently just designed this multi-agentic pipeline to...
Thanks. Staying on the technical side, tell me more about the multi-agent pipeline architecture. What were the agents and their responsibilities? How did they coordinate or pass context? What models or tooling did you use? And how did you handle reliability issues like hallucinations, rate limits, and data freshness?
Yeah, so we actually had a total of 6 agents, 1 main agent, and 5 agents that were constantly, sending information.
Next technical question. Focus on data and evaluate. Now you might be wondering, how does this run overnight? Using OpenClaw's heartbeat and scheduled cron jobs, tapn automatically triggers the pipeline while the user sleeps. Anyways, that's all for tapn currently. Feel free to test out my functionality yourself. Links in the comments.